Yo, what's up? What's up? Hey, finish the writing, then I will perform. Okay, writing is done. That's unfortunate. I didn't get the entry. I was actually looking at this order block plus that breaker block. Whatever my entry tool. 9.5 handle. Okay, is the audio clear? By the way, like I had to like reset my computer for some technical issues. So after that, I have actually reinstalled everything. So I don't really have the previous settings and stuff. So let me know if the audio is clear or not, and I'm gonna start it in a few minutes. It's like literally it's 8:48, so maybe in 2 minutes I will turn on the code, like start the entry. It will be for 15 minutes or maybe 10 minutes. Then after the first giveaway, I'll do the second account giveaway as well. Thanks for letting me know, and good luck. Aritrov is here, Tajul here. Tajul, you cannot win, by the way. Yeah, because you won last month's giveaway. So next month again, yeah, if I have any giveaway to offer, or if I'm doing it, so next month you can get it, but this month you cannot. Winners are grinders. Unfortunate. It was a very good entry, but it was unfortunate. Okay, by the way, why I was framing that was because the hourly bearish fair value was, then hourly order block was there, our version or BPR there as well. Big hourly fair value that top of the hour. Yeah, and because how the structure looks on 5 and 15 minutes around this area, this is going higher without a fair. By the way, after here, okay, after like maybe trading into this fair value where I said breaker overlapping fair value gap and order block, consecutive order blocks, this is the area I would love to see market coming. This is the daily bearish fair value gap. At the same time, this really, so that's a good area for market to go, and then maybe bigger retreat. Otherwise, we already have minutes breakaway gap at the premium, and that's literally the hourly fair value gaps top or highs where you are seeing the rejection. And it's a confusing market open gap because volume imbalance than this one. So what I did is of the 1 minute I draw the 5, and overall that area had some good reactions. Okay, so let me actually start the procedure. I don't know how many people are watching. Should I wait a little bit more or not? But should be all right, I guess. Okay, let me check who is here. Outlander, Sachin, Arya, Tajul, Alex, Focus, HPAT, Shiva, Philip, Martin, Syrian Void, Shuveti, Minul, Shantai, or like NT. No. Code didn't start yet, guys. Code didn't start yet. I'm gonna start now. Oh man, this is where I'm gonna start it. So let me make it 10 minutes, the 15 minutes. I think that will do. So here I'm starting it. Now you guys can go and start your entry. Oh, that was funny, man. That's funny. But yeah, okay, let's stay here because today it's all about the giveaway. I'm not gonna spend time on the chart too much. And by the time you guys are doing the entries, the BlueGuardian chart, like I have pending payout request, it's not processed yet, so my accounts are actually paused. So as a result, I was using my top step accounts. However, this specific one, this is how it should look. Okay, so first 3 days I went big, I made good amount of profit. Last 2 days I just targeted the bare minimum, the nearest liquidity, that whatever the profit it gave me, I just targeted that. And as a result, I have already completed the requirement. 5 days, $3,500, whatever that thing was, I already completed that. So like your payout request, the last 2 days you should not be looking for more than one trade, like more than the minimum. If you are not too far from fulfilling the requirement. I had only one loss on this account, specifically 95.45% win rate, one loss. It is what it is. I'm happy with the performance. So because the account is paused, I cannot actually trade on that until they process the payout. So that's that. Please. Okay, so it gonna be 7 more minutes in case some more people joins, or there might be some latecomers because it's an unusual time to New York time. Some of my viewers are from New York as well, so 7 minutes more. After that, this giveaway will happen, like 10 random users from here, and then the duck race winner. That gonna be giveaway number 1, and right after, like maybe 5 minutes later, I will start the second giveaway. And by the way, whoever wins this giveaway, okay, whoever wins this giveaway, try like make sure you are registered with BlueGuardian Futures. Okay, like it's okay, after you win it you can register, you will still get the time, but it's BlueGuardian Futures, not the BlueGuardian. BlueGuardian is the CFD. Okay, because I will need your email address that you have registered with, and using the same email address you need to register riseworks.io, because BlueGuardian only offers payout to riseworks.io. So if you use the same email for that, it's easier for you to get the payout on that one. So that's it, the registration part and the giveaway account here. And it didn't give me the entry for 1 tick, literally 1 tick. 10 contract entry was there. It is a 72 handle fourth of move that I had to let go. I could have participated from this fair value as a continuation. Could have been a green candle high, but 9 AM is nearby, so let go a little bit. But that was one of the best opportunities. Can you guys hear me? Please let me know if you guys can hear me, because as I said, like I have changed a lot of things. So okay, yeah, okay. What a beautiful inversion BPR. That's why I choose to go with the stop loss, like the balance price range. Market does not need to revisit that. If it revisits, good, but because I had that breaker with the order block, I don't really want to see that it's coming for that level or even weakening above that level. And it's literally covering the low of the 15-minute gap. Since it rejected from the top, next rejection maximum we can touch that. That's what I was expecting. However, it's okay. Always straight for the next. But this was the entry, this was the area to enter, this was the stop loss, perfect stop loss, this was the continuation. If I got that entry over there, I might have added over here a small contract, maybe like 10 here and 5 here, and then this is that gap that should remain unfilled, or as a breakaway gap. This can be fully filled, by the way. Better if it remains as a breakaway, like market can trade it, but better if it doesn't fill, because 25% of the daily range, so can be a breakaway gap as well. But this must have to be a breakaway gap, so I'm gonna like, let's see how many entries and how long. Okay, 3 minutes more, 36 entries so far. Good luck. Yeah, even like Tajul, if you want you can participate, but if you win you will not get it. Okay, the second place holder will get it. So if you want you can participate, no issue with that. Like for fun or something you can participate. So Tajul and Simba, those are the 2 winners of last month. You guys can participate again next month. By the way, congratulations on completing that challenge. People who doesn't know or who is not following on Discord, Tajul, the giveaway account he got, he actually completed the challenge as well, and the progression was really good. It's like he literally took 4 weeks. He went slow, completed the challenge. Amazing work. So yeah, congratulations. Participating but not gonna claim since my country isn't allowed. Okay, Focus, thanks for letting me know, bro. And thanks for actually participating, even though you know that you can. By the way, guys, what do you think about this movie? Since I'm still doing that part, what do you think about this movie? This is one of the worst possible Marvel movie that I have ever watched. I mean, what the hell is this? These are the Avengers, Thunderbolt, whatever. Sucks. So it's also a bag. There are this. Oh, by the 5 minute. I think the time is over now. Okay, 1 more minute. Oh, pretty good amount of people actually participate. 43 users. Good amount of. That's really good. Would love to see it's not fully filled. If it's filled, no issue. But since it's close to that 25% of the daily range, I would love to see it's like partially filled, and then you can see the equal lows or the consolidation areas over here, and be the typical support resistance same area from 5 minutes or 50. If it doesn't wrong. Big is this one. Let me check. 47 entry timer is out. Okay, guys, so can no longer enter. Who is it? Smart scalper. I think you are just a couple of seconds late for this one, but don't worry, there is another one after this. There is no way I can put a like manually input something. Okay, smart scalper, I'm gonna resume the entry only for you. I like usually I don't want to do that, but just for you, one more time. Okay, just you enter. Small what is it? Smart scalper. Put it one more time. Let me see your name over here. Once I see it, I'm gonna close the entry. Come on. I didn't see the name over here. Okay, I got your name. That's it. No more entries. 49 people, like unexpectedly bigger number than I was expecting actually. So let's pick the first winner, like 10 random winners, and then the duck race, whoever wins the duck race. So here goes the number one. Good luck everyone. John, top down. Okay, top down actually. Soham, top Princess, Sutosh, Sushant. Then Shantos Rani, X name, Ravi Sutar, 2, 4, 6, 10. Okay, so I have got my 10. Let me put the duck race. Good luck. There is another one, so don't lose hope. Hope is what keeps us going, so don't lose hope. We have Santosh, Sant, bro. 60-second it is. Let me set it. And okay, so 3, 2, 1. Good luck. Guys, like, share, whatever you can do, do it. Make the community better and bigger. So, we got our first giveaway winner. Congratulations, John. Let me bring back my boom, 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 guys. Still a breakaway gap, by the way. So winner number 1, unfortunate, very unfortunate. For a tick, I didn't get. Otherwise, it could have been a 15 contract move, profit. I could held it lower as well. Like the 15-minute fair value gap is lower, so it is what it is. So give away, whoever is messaging me, please do not message. Please do not message. Away one winner, John. Usually John is like number 2. And John, if you're on my Discord, send me your registered email address with BlueGuardian Futures in a private message so that I can forward it to the team and they can assign you the giveaway account. And the reason I'm doing both of them together, okay, so it has already taken this on. My focus was until this for the new week opening gap top, same time. That's where the 15-minute. Okay, so really, I was talking about this. Current order block is what it is. Doesn't matter. And give me that. Actually, I was trying to be too perfect with my execution. That's the issue. Anyway, so give a one winner, John. Congratulations again. And if you are in my Discord, please send me your registered email address. Now time to start the second giveaway, which is again 10 minutes. Participate. John, you can participate for fun, but you know what the next line is. So it is what it is. New week opening gap top traded. I'm not bullish in the market, guys. I'm willing to see that it's trading this gap and then continuing lower. And this is where, remember my 4-hour inversion fair value gap that I have discussed long before market reached there. So 4 hours chart, inversion fair value I was talking about was this fair value gap That was the only important fair value to me that had a low rejection and a mid rejection. The high or top fails to reject, market should go through it, use it to continue lower. And that's exactly what it did. So mid, after the inversion, rejected from the mid, then the lower quadrant or low, never reached for mid. And these are the relative equal highs. This is where the daily bullish, daily bearish fair value forms. Love to see it's clearing this while trading maybe rest of this unfilled portion or even the upper fair value gap area. Sorry, this one I don't count as a fair value. So from the daily fair value, another sell short opportunity. If that happens, really good. That doesn't happen, this is the next area you want to be focusing on. That duck is ducking. The duck is still ducking. So okay. How is the entry looking? How is the entry looking? 8 people. Come on, finish it. This time I'm not gonna, like, after 7 minutes and 20 seconds, no more new entries. Okay, like I'm not gonna reopen and get someone in. So get your things together, guys. Get your things together. Lucky. Anyway, doesn't matter. Even I marked this one, but I was not. Since I didn't get it, I'll take it here. Okay. Inversion. The volume imbalance. When market is coming from the low towards that fair value, it's gonna face that volume imbalance. So I marked it. Let's say there was a volume imbalance around this area. If I'm looking for a buy long using this gap as an inversion, I would include that one instead of the lower one. So I would mark like this. Why? Because when it's gonna go higher, it's gonna face that as the last level of defense. At the same time, if it inverses that level, then it's gonna face that while it's retesting that inversion, it's gonna face that at the very beginning of the move. So that's why. Anyway, let's not make it complex. I know there are errors. There are errors. Okay, so it's 9:13. I would love to finish it before 9:30 so that you guys can go and do your trading. So 55 entries. So Mosh, where are you, brother? Before didn't see you on the previous one. Why this cola berry, bro? Four more minutes. Four more fucking minutes. Oops. My head on my desk. By the way, how is your trading going? Like overall? how is your trading going? Would you take a sell continuation? Get to for a busy. At the moment, I'm not looking for anything because I'm bearish on the market, but I would love to see market is reaching that area before the big fall. Yeah, if it happens, then I will look into the new PDRS that's forming after trading this 15-minute structure, like 15-minute fair value and breakaway gap. The CE, it's falling. It has created or about to create two more new bearish fair value gaps on 15 minutes. So think this way, okay, market is falling. It has barely done any retracement on that fall. So what I want to see is this market creating some liquidities around wherever, like I don't know, let's say some liquidities, then taking that liquidity inside of a 15-minute or higher time frame PDRA, and then giving me maybe something like this, or maybe a type 2 MSS reversal, that type of thing, like high low, lower high, then lower low. This is a type 2 reversal with MSS, and better if you can pair it up with a what it calls SMT divergence, or best is 2022 IT model. So if I get that, that's when I will, like, what I'm trying to say is, let's say it's keep falling, okay, like it never gave you an opportunity, it's just falling. It will stop at a place, it will consolidate at a place. After that consolidation, so accumulation, higher manipulation, then the lower distribution where I will have a 2022 IT model, I will participate only from then. In between, I have nothing to do. Big move, any big move, doesn't matter. So can I explain that? Let's say what happened yesterday. For example, this is where yesterday's 9:30 happened, okay, and market was going by a big margin. It's not a small run, by the way. This is nearly, like, I think the whole day was a 600 handle move from the new week opening gap top. It's already like 183 handle move already. Now if it's retracing a fair value gap here, I'm not entering here. What I'm saying, that big move, wait for a little bit of consolidation or something, some sort of liquidity grab, MSS, then fair value gap entry. I know it's not a clean delivery, but at least you got the idea how the next entry should be framed. So it has taken some liquidities, then given you MSS, while it has two bullish fair value gaps. You can mark a breaker consecutive order blocks over here. So overlapping that, a fair value gap, that was a very good entry. For example, I'm talking about this area. I know it's hindsight, I know it respected beautifully on hindsight, but that's literally how the trade should have to be. Okay, similar, okay, think this way. While it was giving you an earlier setup over here, it did the exact same scenario inside of your previous setup. It did the exact same, like consolidated, took some liquidity, MSS given, similar structure. Either you can mark this as your breaker, since that's the higher high. You can mark like liquidity, MSS, breaker, fair value gap, traded, then the next move happened. So just look for that type of signature wherever that happens. Anyway, let's see how many people participated and if I can start the second one on. By the way, guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure, or at least I think try to join my Discord as well. I'm not giving any special treatment over there, but the community over there is very helpful. If you are struggling, you can discuss with those people. Like, I'm trying to build a community that stays together, improves together, or grows together, that type of community. So if you are open-minded, if you are happy to join a community where everyone is fun loving, at the same time they are serious about their trading as well, you can join the Discord. And of course, if you are the winner, you must have to join this Discord to send me the message where you can give me your details. Oh, the time is over, so let's pick the 10 winners. This time I have more users, which is even better, so good luck. And after this giveaway is completed, I will be finishing the stream, but I will be waiting for you guys to send me the details where I have to provide the ID. 1 2 3 4 5. I will remove Tazul, but congratulations on getting selected again. Like, you are someone I have seen, like maybe every giveaway you got selected somehow. John just won, so I'm gonna remove John as well, because I'm gonna give the new people opportunity. So yeah, let's see who is getting it. Biraz Lal, Inu, Pet, Outland, Tezo, Fazlil Kabir, Jayant Yadav. Jayant Yadav, isn't it my last month winner? Okay, write something, Jayant. If you are Simba, I don't remember. If you are Simba, write something so that I can pick maybe someone who didn't win before. Or please, right here. No? Okay, no worries. Then all good. I've got my 10 selections. So let's go the way it is. Okay, so Firaz Lal. The man, the myth himself, Outlander. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the dashing, the most impressive trader, Mr. Outlander. Okay, that was bit. No, but yeah, he's the one keeping me alive in my Discord. He's the one keeping me alive in my Discord. He has lot of setups, bro. The booby pattern is the Outlander pattern. Come on, guys, cheer up for Outlander. I don't know. Okay, enough fun. Good luck. May the well-deserving one wins this one. For some reason, I'm thinking someone going to make it some, like, it's gonna be a funny one. I'm pretty confident. Oh, here comes the boost. Last 10 seconds, there is the boost. Okay, Jayant Jadab, I was about to think that you are Simba, but if you are not Simba, then you are the one. Holy shit, congratulations, bro. Congratulations, my giveaway 2 winner is Jayant Yadav. So let me so number 2 is Jayant Yadav. There you go. So I believe you are in my Discord. If you are in my Discord, please send me the message with your registered email ID, both of you. And if you're not in my Discord, I believe the chat thing is going to give you like in this chat, the Streamlabs should provide a Discord invitation link, or you can check any of my video description where I have a what it calls, I have a Discord invitation link. Actually I just found one, so I'm gonna pin it. So check the pin comment, that's the Discord invitation link. You can join. If you're new, you are also welcome. And before I finish it, close this history. I was doing the same. Okay, wait. Just a sec. Is a community. By the way, if you are in the Discord, you'd never notice this part. I have this bot over here where you can see every news updates over here from Financial Juice. Is something you might be interested in. Don't find the market or some unusual moves happening in the market. That part. The next thing is the community where everyone is pretty much active. Sometimes I'm a bit inactive, but yeah, like I was active for a very long time. Okay, and there is a 60 days bounty thing going on, which is like you set a rule for yourself and stick to that rules for 60 days on a single account. So it can be like from challenge to the funded to the payout, and 60 days is more than enough to get you to even the live funded account. And stick with the rules and follow you. So that's that part. There is this live trading community. I'm not gonna click now because they are already watching in YouTube. Let's see echo over there. They can discuss together and maybe participate together. Then some study materials over here. I don't know like how helpful these things are, but yeah, like ICT 2022 mentorship PDF or doc file over here, then the 2024 mentorship doc file, then some homework, Excel sheet, internal external liquidity range in a PDF, then mind over market, a book, some discount code section over here if you want you can use. Then here is the thing for the new people. By this the meeting record it. Yeah, so more or less when I'm over the weekend, I'm sometimes discussing a lot of things on Discord in that same community where other people or other community members have recorded the session and they have literally put all the videos over here, and I believe there are some very good and valuable informations inside. If you're willing to go through some of those videos, I can do that. Yeah, it is what it is. So okay, that's pretty much it for today. I hope I will be seeing you guys soon again, and all the best. NFP week yesterday I didn't see much of the news effect, maybe because of the government shutdown in USA. It's not publishing the reports or the effects are not happening, but since that is the scenario going onwards, which is government shutdown and no all the reports are pending, the actual move of those news are pending. Okay, so be careful, maybe go with your minimum profit target or risk less. What happened? This can't send you message without friend request. Okay, I'm gonna look into it and I'm gonna accept. Rewards available on trades. Okay, Jayant, I got your mail. Sorry. Stream. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. See you all sometime, some other times, and maybe on the next stream there will be again some giveaways. Whenever I'm getting the free accounts, of course, I'm gonna do it for the community. And maybe at the moment, I don't know, like I might be around. Check. Might be around. Go to the. I don't care about. It's 86. So once I get another $14, I will be withdrawing this $100. And no, actually I need to withdraw at least 120 or 50. It's okay, I can cover up that from my. So once I receive this, there will be 2 more giveaway happening, and that giveaway I have to do it in a different manner. So let's see how that goes. Anyway, so yeah, I'll let you guys know once it hits that minimum threshold, and then the money arrives in my bank. Okay, so I'll be doing that. $1.03 Aussie dollar in revenue. It is what it is, doesn't matter. Whatever, we'll do it. We will do it. So there will be a time when I will be doing like 2 more giveaways. So yeah, and also guys, thanks to BlueGuardian Futures for providing these free accounts. Like so far they have provided me 2, 4, 8, 10, but there was like, I think the thumbnail was like this, but I was doing both giveaways in that. So 12, maybe today was 14th or something. I had to make this thumbnail before I started. Okay, so it was a hassle. That's why I was like 5-10 minutes late to start, but it is what it is. By the way, you see the monthly earning, estimated monthly earning, a huge amount over here, US dollar 1 or 2 month. So thanks for the donations, and it's gonna go back to the community. And in subscriber ranks, I'm around the top 1%, 6.8 million ranking, because I have 0 uploads per week. That's why, don't worry, I'm just. So yeah, see you all next time. Until then, take a very good care of yourself, your health, and your loved one, and bye bye.